Again, the usual Chauvel. To us, our band show go on Kruger Fair Scott on Nat Heron. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the 5th Irish Australian Film Festival. Every year it seems to get bigger than Ben-Hur. This year we have 9 features, a short film competition, a documentary about Irish seniors in Sydney, and a programme of short films from the Gays LGBTQI Festival in Ireland. So we have some great films over the next 4 days, from Cavan Cowboys to Atlantic Surfers, with some Dublin Goths and Kerry Curragh men in between. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our opening night film, Float Like a Butterfly.
I really just want to say what a pleasure it is to be here tonight for, as Enda said, the 5th Irish Film Festival in Australia. It's a festival that goes from strength to strength from year to year, and that's really a credit to Enda, the committee, and the army of volunteers who make it happen. So congratulations to all of them for bringing a big slice of home all the way here to Australia, and I hope you enjoy the movie tonight.